The government may soon make it mandatory for all cars, including the economy models, to have airbags for the passenger side on the front seat as a safety feature. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and in this video, I will be telling you why the front passenger airbag is an absolute must. So it was in July last year when airbag for the driver was made mandatory. But what about the person sitting in the front passenger seat of the car? The regulation that is in effect right now is not enough, as it leaves the co-passenger in the front seat vulnerable to serious injury or even death in case of a car crash. The global consensus is that there should be maximum security features to protect the occupants of a car in case of a crash. The Indian government's stand is also clear: no compromise on safety features, even if it drives up the cost. Reportedly, the government is working on a timeline to ensure airbags for the driver and the passenger. And if sources are to go by, a year's time is what could be offered for all automakers to introduce the safety equipment in all of their cars. Looking back, the Indian government had taken some good initiatives, so to speak, to make cars safer. Safety features such as speed alert, reverse parking sensors, and seat belt reminder were made standard features in cars, and it must be noted that all of these features came at a low cost. However, airbag, which is a crucial safety gear for the front passenger, was not made mandatory. As of now, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has already issued a draft notification to make necessary amendments to the Automotive Industry Standard, or the AIS, which deals with safety features. And the Apex Technical Committee on Vehicle Standards has already given the green signal to this proposal. All in all, it is a known, tested and proven fact that airbags can significantly reduce injury in the event of a car crash. Now the mandatory fitment of front passenger airbag can bring down injuries to a great extent. When the driver airbag was made compulsory in July 2019, it is surprising as to why the safety feature for the front seat passenger was not introduced at the same time. Well, bottom line really is better late than never. Do let us know your thoughts on a mandatory airbag for the front passenger in the comment section below. And if you've liked the content that I've presented to you, make sure you like and share this video. And yes, subscribe to TV9 Digital on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks for joining us.